So now it wants us to graph the line that we found in the previous example. So if you remember, it was y equals negative 1/3 x plus 28/6. So I'm going to try to simplify this a little bit. So we're going to y equals negative 1/3 x plus, both of those lovely things are divisible by 2. So it's going to be 14/3. This doesn't really help me because I don't know where to put 14/3 for my y-intercept over here. I mean, I can kind of guess where it would be. So this is going to be like really close. So it's bigger than 4, not quite 5. So it's going to be somewhere in there. But instead of guesstimating, I'm going to put some values in for x and find the corresponding y. So let's let x equal 2. So then we're going to have y equals negative 1/3 times by 2 plus 14/3. So this is going to equal negative 2/3 plus 14/3. So remember, when we add a negative to a positive, this is like subtracting. So we're going to have 12/3, which just equals 4. So when x equals 2, y equals 4. So when x equals 2, y equals 4, we can put a dot there. So let's pick another point. Let's say that x equals 5. We're trying to find y. So x equals 5. So then we're going to have y equals negative 1/3 times by 5 plus 14/3. So y is going to equal negative 5/3 plus 14/3. Again, this is like subtracting, so 14 minus 5. Y is going to equal 9/3, which just equals 3. So when x equals 5, y equals 3. So when x equals 5, y equals 3. So I did strategically pick these 2 points because I knew they came out to whole numbers, because I knew I needed to subtract away enough to get 14 to a number divisible by 3. So here I needed to subtract away 2 to get to 12. I needed to subtract away 5 to get to 9. So if you can kind of think your way through and strategically pick things like that, it can make your life a little bit easier. So now that I have 2 points, I can plot my line. So my line's going to go there. And of course, we always want our line to extend right to the end. So we're going to go through there. So there's our new line.